Okay guys, Dennis Foster here with our 350 Boston Whaler Ram. Get rid of that. Okay, Dennis Foster here with our 350 Boston Whaler Ram. This is ridiculous. Dennis Foster here, guys. Let's see if I get it right this time. 350 Boston Whaler Ram. I f***ed that up though. You got to do bloopers.
Yeah, we'll do it on.
Hey guys, Dennis Foster, Foster's Yacht Services. If you've been following our 350 Realm Boston Whaler repair, so we're back over here after it came in and had a little bit of damage on here with the fiberglass and over to the flotation foam in the core. As you can see, we're doing all of our body work and laminating and getting all nice and smooth. And now we're going to be in the block sanding process. So what they're doing right now is they're blocking this down to create the shape. Once the shape is on all this, you can see it goes back about, I'm going to say 18 feet. The worst area is right here. But once we get the shape and we get everything over here, what we're going to do at that point is spray our orange toluene gel coat on here for molds. Spray a couple coats of the orange toluene gel coat. Then we'll start our lamination process with a skin cord of a 3/4. Then we'll do 1.5 ounces, and then we'll probably do 6 to 8 layers of 1708 and 2408 biaxial. And once we get all of that, we're going to pull this off after we put our wooden frames on there so it keeps it rigid and doesn't flex. And then we're going to make our part out of that. We'll spray the Boston Whaler gel coat in that. We'll lay up the laminate schedule, and then we'll be able to put this right back on after we cut this off. So stay tuned for us on our Boston Whaler as we make progress in getting all the molds ready and pop this off of here so we can make our additional part. Yeah, but that seems to be the worst area there. So maybe while you're there, just maybe, block that down and we'll polish that out because, you know, I want this to be all really brand new and everything on that. And well, once I pulled the anchor out, I noticed it's bent. It's funny what you can't see when they're all up inside, right? But you can see that one's clearly bent. So we're going to put a new anchor there, and that'll just improve our windlass system over here on our Boston Whaler. Yeah, see, they're doing all the body work here too right now. And we're going to be repainting the hull. Our repairs are coming along good. This is an Abaco blue metallic here. And what we're thinking of doing right now, we're designing a color scheme for this. So if you look right up there, we're going to do the whole underside of the hardtop the same color as the hull, Abaco blue metallic with 2 coats of clear. So it's a base coat, clear coat system. And that way I can tie in the hull with the underside of that hardtop. Those colors will pop off of each other and it will look really, really, really nice. Follow me back here now. So if you look here, these engines have a little crease line here and they go right up over the cowlings. So what I'm thinking of doing now is taking, not only painting the underside of the hardtop blue, but now we're going to do the back of these engines, the tips and the back of the engines blue. So when we unveil this baby, you're going to have a blue hull, blue little tip on the engines, and a metallic blue under the hardtop, which will tie into a beautiful color scheme. So stay tuned with our 350 Boston Whaler Ram, and we'll be doing great. Now, fuck that. I can't.